Hello guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome here. It's your girl Muna. I know you're staring at me like, why is she wearing this hair? Where is the wig? Where is the weave? See, today I'm just trying to freestyle. We're having a get ready with me. We're doing our makeup together. We're just about some unpopular opinions and we'll just rant about it a bit. I'm not a makeup artist though, so anything I'm doing here is just freestyle. The exciting about today's video is also that I'll be slaying this hair that I got from Slayon extension. I got it on Instagram, Slayon's extension. Now, the first unpopular opinion that I want us to talk about, or unpopular opinion, whatever, is as a female or as a male, once people start saying, or a younger person starts saying, good afternoon, ma, good afternoon, sir, it means you're old. It means you're perceived as old, yeah? And my take on that is, actually it's true. Like, I'm walking on the streets and I'm coming back home, I see a younger person and the person's like, good evening, ma. Even good evening, sister, I'll give it good evening, auntie. Like, good evening, ma. It gets to, like, it's a wake-up call for me. I'm like, I'm not ma. Like, say the fact that, you know, my workspace, while around people calling me ma, like when I go to work or when I work sometimes, I have people call me ma. And in my mind, I'm like, okay, this is like work setting, so let me not take it personal. I let that idea because I feel like it is work. But having to come back home or walk on the street and I'm having people be like, good afternoon, ma, or I'm in the hospital, or, you know, just having people regard me as ma, it gives me that vibe of, Munachi, you're old. Do you feel the same? I do feel old when I'm regarded as ma. Do you feel old when you're regarded as ma or sir? Let me know in the comments because for me, I feel old. So, okay, so another unpopular opinion that this is me trying to, you know, I'm still trying to blend out my foundation. I don't know. I don't want to do any caricature or zobu look today because what do I mean by zobu? I've attempted doing like a get ready with me video on this channel like twice or thrice. I never posted a video because it didn't pass the vibe check, so I just did not post it. So I'm hoping, finger crossed, that this one passes the test and I can post it. Foundation is done. I think it's sitting pretty if you ask me. But yeah, dragging. Or another unpopular opinion is that people who, I don't buy the idea of using sugar for donuts. You see those donuts that you used to buy or people sell? There's this donut they sell, like a roadside snack they sell. It's like a donut. You all know what donut means. It's just that donut that they pour sugar on top. I feel like people who eat that, except a child, I don't see why you should eat. That is just my opinion. No, guy, don't come for me. I know people that are watching me right now, they're like, girl, if you don't do it, that's your business. I know it's my business. That's why I'm just sharing my business here. It's just what I feel, you know. So I just did rubbish and I don't buy the idea. Number one, it attracts ants. Number two, that's so much sugar. Like, you can't tell me you made that donut without sugar, without any form of sugar. You cannot tell me. Because people that I ask, they always be like, it's because they didn't put sugar inside the donut. So they just put it on top of, or yeah, like that. And I'm like, it still doesn't make sense to me. Like, I don't see why that is being done. But again, that's my opinion, right? I know most of you watching me eat that donut, so don't come for me, you know. It's just my personal view on that donut. If I buy it, I eat it, or if you give it to me right now, eat it, okay? I might just dust out the sugar because I'm like, why would you use plain sugar on donuts? Like, why do you feel like because it's sugar, I want to lick it? What do you guys think? Nice. I'm just like looking at this mirror that is not giving. Okay, anyways, blush done. So next thing I'm going to go in with is my concealer. People who put sugar inside their tea. Guys that drink tea, like, and pour sugar. What is the color of your problem? Why? But again, I understand that most people like things differently. I mean, I'm not here to trash. I'm not here to badmouth anybody doing any of these things I'm saying. It's just my personal opinion. For me, I don't take tea with sugar, right? I can use sugar for oat, I can use sugar for custard, I can use sugar for every other thing, but sugar, I drink my tea with Bonvita. So Bonvita is not like on the sweet side, it's just there. But regardless, I just try to not, I'm going for a soft glam. So that's how you can see that I don't have so many product on my face and all. I'm going for a very soft glam. I don't like full glams. It doesn't fit me. Saying, yeah, I feel like, you're going to hear I feel like too much in this video because it's something I say. So another unpopular opinion that we are going to talk about is when you don't tell your family and friends, or when you don't tell your close friends that you're relocating. See, this one, but I know for a fact that if I was going to leave this country now or relocate, there are certain people I would tell. And when I mean certain people, I mean close, like for you to regard yourself as my close friend or for you to regard myself as a close family. Family will definitely know, right? Let's leave family. We're talking about close friends. I'm also someone that has a small circle of friends. 2, 3 close friends. I'd spread my wings. Maybe I will have like maybe 5 or 6 in my circle. So definitely if you fall into that close friend category, which is my 2 or 3 friends, you will definitely know I'm going to relocate. So for people who don't tell their close friends, I would say it depends on the relationship you have with that person. Most people don't believe that there's evil in the world, and that's good. People who believe that there's evil in this world, I don't know how they sleep at night. Like people like me that always feel like, oh, there's evil in the world is evil. People want your downfall. This person's after your life. And you have to be sure that person you're telling has the best interest at heart. And it's not just knowing, it's like person has proved to you over and over again that they have your best interest at heart. Now, if that person is not giving you that vibe, if you guys have had issues where maybe as friends you have done something, or you guys have had issues where this person is doing or pushing evil on you, or you can really tell who has your back to an extent. I know we're not soothsayers, we don't see visions. The way you can tell when a person has your best interest at heart. Once you sense that this person doesn't have your best interest at heart, then you know how to place them, right? And if that person falls into that category, like someone like me, I know people that has my best interest at heart and people who do not have my best interest at heart. And I might be wrong, but it's just with what they've showed me, with their actions and, either towards other people or towards me when we aren't in good terms or when we have like a fallout as friends, so not family. Yeah, so that's just me. That's just how I think. That's from my perspective. Yeah, it won't be like, oh, I found out my close friend travels abroad and I'm angry and I cut her off, because I think that's where this conversation comes from. I saw a tweet or a message or it's not a trend, like a post where somebody talked about how their close friend traveled and didn't tell them. If you are my close friend and you want to relocate abroad and you did not tell me, I'm going to just take it that number one, you don't see me as someone that has your best interest at heart, and that's okay. I will definitely feel bad. Might not be close as we used to be. I won't hate you, but I would definitely give you space. But we can still be friends, yeah? And it doesn't mean we'll stop being friends. It just means that this nose is stressing me out, guys. In fact, I'm done. Anyhow it looks like, take it. Like, why am I struggling to contour my nose? I have a very wet nose. Weird. I think pregnancy gave me the wet nose. So another one is people who use GB WhatsApp. See, this one I take it personal because I hate people invading my space. I hate people. People that have GB WhatsApp. Why are you a stalker? I don't know what people want to tell me, but if I see anybody that has GB WhatsApp, right, I look at them with like that eyes, like, it feels like you're stalking people. And so let's say you want to post on your WhatsApp there, you can choose people that want to see it. So people who have GP WhatsApp can maneuver that and see every post, including the ones you want them to see and the ones you don't want them to see. And they can go ahead and see your post, which is your status. They can do so many things. And I'm like, why? Even when the ones post you delete. I think, yeah, you can see if you send someone a message and you mistakenly want to take out the message or delete the message, GB WhatsApp users can see the message. It won't get deleted from their end. See, I find it so stalkery. I find it so creepy. Like, I feel like the person that owns GB WhatsApp needs therapy. The person that owns GB WhatsApp needs therapy, because why? Who sent you message? Did we complain to you that we want our business out there? Where did the concept come from? I'm taking this so personal because I'm like, why? I don't like it. For people who are private, I mean, the only option is if you're private, then don't post stuff that you don't want other people to see, knowingly or unknowingly. But for cases where I want to send a message and the message gets sent and I change my mind and I want to delete it, why can't I just delete it? I think I'm overreacting. In the comments, let me know, because I know I'm not overreacting. I know there are people like me that's angry. So yeah, the next point is there's a big difference between I love you and love you. I love you sounds very personal, sounds very intentional, sounds very direct. Like it sounds very direct as compared to love you. So if somebody sends me a message, right? Maybe my spouse or my whoever sends me a message and it's like, I love you. I take it more serious than somebody saying love you. Even though I send you a message and I'm like, I love you, if you reply me with love you, I don't take you serious. What do you think? Do you think I'm being dramatic right now? I'm high on powder. Now, when you don't tell your friend you're getting married, I took this from a post I saw where a lady was angry that her close friend did not tell her that she was getting married. And I don't know. There's some kind of friends you have that you just know that wedding might not even be this person's thing. Like this person might not even care if I am married or not, but you guys regard yourself as friends. There's a level to this friendship thing. So most people think they have friends, but what they have is acquaintance. Two-way thing. Are you aware that she knows you're her friend? Are you aware that, like, is the energy the same? Do you think in your head that you guys are friends, but in her head, you guys are not friends, you're just her co-worker that you're close to? Because I have many people that will swear to you that we're friends, but in my heart, I don't see them as friends. I just see them as my acquaintance or work colleague, workmates, nothing that serious. It's always important to know like your place in people's lives. So it saves you from headache. It saves you from feeling bad when they don't involve you in certain things. So I don't know what this makeup is not going as planned. I really tap water in the kitchen is cleaner than tap water in the bathroom. You guys should argue with your ancestors. Let's imagine you drink tap water in your house, yeah? Does that mean you should not go to your bathroom and use cup and take water and drink and say it's the same water? Like, I don't know how some people do it though, but I don't know. I just see everything wrong in that. And you know how they say unpopular opinions can be true or false? This one might be false, but I stand on my ground. I stand on my ground that tap water in the kitchen is better than tap water in the bathroom. If you think I'm wrong, let me know why. Give me science. Back it up with science in the comments. If you don't know this makeup, I don't know. Okay, let's leave it to what. The next point I want to make here is people that iron their clothes. You guys, I feel like you guys deserve accolades. People that wake up every morning and iron their clothes. For the white collar guys and girls watching this, if you work in a corporate organization and you don't give your clothes to dry cleaners, so this one is not for people that give their clothes to dry cleaners. If you don't give your clothes to dry cleaners, then that would help you iron your clothes, or you don't have someone around you that helps you iron your clothes. I feel like you people deserve accolades too, because I cannot do it. See, ironing. Leave me out of it. Just take me away. Like, forget it. Let me fix my lashes. We'll be back. I fixed my lashes. The next unpopular opinion is for people that people that think or feel like Maraji is doing too much. If you don't know who Maraji is a comedian, a skit maker. She's a filmmaker. Let me use that word. She shoots by herself, film, edits, shoots multiple characters. There's this respect I have for Maraji that, I don't know, just because I'm also a filmmaker, I shoot, I edit, professionally, that's what I do for a living, if you don't know. Recently, Maraji has been posting some personal content surrounding maybe our opinions on certain topics or certain things, opinions, just like this kind of video where you share your opinion. She still does skit, of course. In fact, I don't miss any of her videos when it comes to skits and other videos as well. Maraji is a funny human being. Like, if you don't catch her clues, you're going to cry. If you don't catch her sense of humor, if you don't understand her sense of humor, you might just be somewhere crying, like you might be somewhere hating, but you don't care. And for any celebrity that comes tomorrow and say things that we don't agree with, it's okay to have indifference. So to an extent, it's okay to have or to like different things, to hate different things, to have, all these things are okay. But it shouldn't give you that. That shouldn't be a reason why you should like show shade or boycott or boycott or blacklist them or cancel. Yeah, the word is cancel. But yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, this is setting my face. I think this wraps up my makeup look. Let's see try so you guys will see it. So let's get into the hair. So opening it up, this is what you're gonna see. So this hair is a straight hair like this. The frontal is just like a I don't know, is it 2x2 or 3x2 frontal hair. So I'm going to go in with my foundation on the lace. I don't know what this hair is giving though. Like, hey God, I don't know how I'm looking, but I don't know. I've never had like a bone straight, because this is giving bone straight. It's actually a bone straight. I'm trying to take my thumbnail pictures because, baby girl, you look good. Like, you look good. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to finish up my look with like a lip gloss. Yeah. So yeah, so this hair, I got it from at Slayon on Instagram. To wrap up what I have to say about those of you dragging Marachi, all I have to say to you is that, why am I smiling? I cannot hold myself. I'm looking so good, I hope the unpopular opinions I dropped now is random, because I really, really sat down and crafted out the unpopular opinions. I didn't want it to be a regular cliche, something you've heard somewhere else. I wanted it to be fresh. And let me know in the comments if there's any other one you want to share. Maybe my next sit down video will be about it. If you notice, recently I've been posting more about skincare. That's like one niche I want to explore. And then once a week, I intend posting like twice a week, where one would be a skincare content and the other one would be a random content around lifestyle. So like today, I will be posting about this. I categorize this as a lifestyle, but I want it to be any lifestyle video I have to post would be inspired with either like a get ready with me or unboxing or something that has to do with like a combination of something so it's exciting. You get, so if I have like anything to talk about as regards to motherhood, I want to always have something to add to it, like a get ready with me or let's do my skincare together. Or on the other days, I'll just do more of skincare content. So I'm trying to just fine tune my content around lifestyle and skincare for now, and maybe over time I tend to talk about UGC creation and all that, but that's when I'm more like in a different headspace. Yeah, so a 10 when it comes to how it looks on me, 10 over 10. So now let's take thumbnail pictures before I wrap up. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you have any popular opinion to share or you want me to talk about. I'm sure you subscribe to this channel, and thank you so much for being here. See you guys in my next video.